Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm so excited because I'm going to share with you guys some Christmas ideas and some Christmas decorating and give you guys a tour of our house for Christmas. So this year I did a few things in the house. This first room I'm going to show you is our Candyland room, and you guys know I go all out every Christmas, and this Christmas is Ace's first Christmas, so of course I had to make it a little bit themey for him. So the Candyland in here was like perfect, and I just wanted to make it very fun for him. Again, theme was Candyland, but I wanted to focus on the peppermint type of candy. And this is our tree. For the topper, I just used some candy cane sticks to make a topper with, and then the tree I incorporated a lot of different type of textures, different types of ornaments and ribbons. Again, they're all candy based. If you want anything in this video, I will have a link below in the description box, because I'm just gonna make a blog post with everything that I used. If you guys want to know or need some guidance and want to incorporate something similar, it will be a link in the description box. So I can't go through in this video where I got each and every piece from, because there's so many pieces and so many moving parts, but just know that I am a affordable shopper, so most of these items, if I didn't have it prior, it either came from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Ross, Marshall's, Walmart, or just some type of, again, affordable place. But just check my description box if you want to know where a particular piece of item came from. And decorating the fireplace, I just incorporated some Christmas trees, a big old candy cane, which is really cool, signs, and just different little gadgets. And I found these different candy pieces for my vases, so I put them all throughout. I put them on the fireplace vases around the room, in little jars, again, just to give that theme. And one thing I did do was I added these little peppermint ornaments to my stockings on the fireplace, and I just thought that was so cute. Just add a little touch of candy to that. Overall, I just wanted to add as much candy themed items as possible. Under the tree, I threw in some pillows, this reindeer pillow, ornaments, gift boxes, just different things to give different textures under the tree. Now, you also want to incorporate pillows, and pillows can definitely change a room. And so in here, I just incorporate a few striped pillows, some red and white pillows, things again to just go with the theme in the room. And all of these candies in these jars are actually ornaments, and I just made a decorative, candy jar out of them. Again, these are just ornaments in a bowl. I will say the little peppermints that you see are actually picks, and I just, again, put them in a little jar, make a little candy jar. And it was so cute when I was decorating. Ace wanted to get some candy, and it's like he was pulling my candy out. I was like, put my candy back. So cute. But he loves this room. I love this room. My husband loves this room. The dogs love this room. It's just a really fun room. All the ornaments are shatterproof, so You know, it's really good to have shatterproof around dogs and kids as well. But this room is our favorite room. A lot of you guys ask us, how do we keep this room white? And honestly, the color of this room is cream. Cream is a lot easier to keep clean than white because dirt shows up a lot less. But we also just spot clean when needed, and that's pretty much it. Moving on to our family room. So here in our family room, it's very like comfy in here, very relaxing. So the theme I went with in here is a buffalo plaid type of theme. So I incorporate a lot of hints of red, black, and white type plaid in here. Again, under the tree, I just did a mix of pillows, signs, different little gadgets. I just don't like doing the same thing under trees, and it don't have to be too much, but just enough to give some textures. And again, pillows and also blankets is a great way to just level up a room, and I found a lot of plaid colored pillows and throw blankets to incorporate in here. We live in this room, so you know, we wanted to make sure to do something that, you know, goes with our fireplace, because the fireplace is a brick fireplace, and goes with our texture and tone in here. So this plaid is just perfect. It's very comfy, it's very farmhousey kinda. Here on the ottoman, I incorporated a plaid table runner, plus, you know, candles and flowers and different things. And the fireplace, I love these plaid stockings. I got the 2 dog prints for 2 dogs, and then the black and white one for Ace. I'm so glad I found those. It's so cute. So on top of the fireplace, I found this light set that had berries and pine cones on it. So that was just perfect to incorporate on the fireplace. And I just wrapped it with the garland, and it's a battery operated light, which is also pretty cool. Now let's move on to the tree. So guys, talking about this tree does not have a lot of ornaments on it. It's 80% ribbon, and I included 3 different types of ribbon, and I ran them 2 different ways, and I love the outcome on it. And I did include some ornaments, but it's actually not a lot of ornaments at all on this. For the top of this tree, the topper is just 3 ribbons combined. So moving on to our wine bar area, I didn't do too much here. I just incorporated some, you know, different elements here for the top of it. The sign was a DIY project. It was in a previous video. This flower was also a DIY project with most of the items, I think, from Dollar Tree. I'll leave that video if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, it wasn't too much up here. It's just showing you how it looks. This is an overarching view from like the family room. So you see our breakfast table. So the breakfast table, I did incorporate some stripes as well as a flower and some red plates as well, just to give a Christmassy feeling here. This is really one of the best place in the house to be, because you get to look outside and see the view. I don't like doing too much. I like to do just enough. So let me show you a few things I did in the kitchen. I did do this plant. It's a DIY plant. I threw together a lot of different types of picks and plants that I had, with hints of reds, whites, and some berries as well, just to give a Christmassy vibe. And I also found this candle. I believe it was from Marshall's, and it smells amazing. I really love the scent of that. And so I also incorporated this plaid dish drying mat in here for the kitchen. And also this plaid dish towel to hang over by our sink. Again, to just give a little bit of Christmassy vibes here in the kitchen. Now let's move on to the piano room. So we may call this the piano and the drums room now because we put my husband some drums in here. But anyway, and if you guys don't know, I do play the piano. My husband does play the drums. I created a music channel on YouTube, and we always do Christmas videos. Last year we did them on Facebook, but this year I'm gonna put them on YouTube. And potentially Facebook too. So if you want to hear some Christmas music by us, make sure to go subscribe to that channel and follow me on Facebook as well. Now in here I don't have a lot of space, and I am always reconfiguring this room. So I have a narrow tree in here, and this is just pretty much our fun tree. The topper is made from combined ribbons. Again, this is just 2 combined ribbons on this one. And the elements on the tree are just a mixture of greens and reds and different type of fun ornaments. This is again just our fun room, our fun tree. So I didn't want to do anything too big or too much, but it's small enough where I can move it around the room when I need to shoot and film and, you know, move everything, because we have furniture sliders on the piano. If you guys don't know about furniture sliders, they're like the world's greatest thing. I can easily move this piano by myself, just a push, and it works. So we do a lot of moving in this room. But yeah, this is how it looks for now. We're gonna still be working on this room and pulling out stuff, but that's where we are right now. And here's our foyer. So what I did in the foyer, I added a plaid table runner and some pillows here because I had to put our ottomans in here and move them up the piano room. So it just works great right here for now. And the plant is a DIY plant, just different touches and pieces of flowers. I also added this lighted snowflake runner to it also, and it's battery operated, which is also really nice to have. And yeah, this is our foyer and how it looks. Again, if you wanted anything you saw in this video, check my description box. If I have a link, it will be on the blog, which it'll be a link to it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know which tree you like better in the description box, Candyland or the plaid tree. And also let me know how many trees you usually decorate in your house. I hope this video helped you and gave you potentially some ideas. And I will see you guys in my next video.